Why? What's the reason for doing it? Well, I think trading is a clear reason why you're putting the effort and time to learn how to get good at it. You know, it's clear, simple. You know, it's an income. Replace your job.
See, like I like that example that you said. Imagine a baby is learning how to walk.
Yeah.
And then
when you deep it, like as I said, even the baby, you fall over countless amount of times. Look now, you've practiced so much. Right now, at the drop of a hat, you can run as fast as you can in a straight line. Remember, you was dropping before, you know.
Yeah.
Fast as you want in a straight line. Even if you wanted to, you can even walk backwards.
Some people can even cartwheel.
And then
really deep.
It doesn't make no sense from giving up.
I'm not gonna say give it, like it's all to do with your environment as well, isn't it? So as much as it's on my mind that like you really need to know that what is the goal that man's after. You know what I mean? What is it that I want from trading? Because if we want to make money, we can do anything to make money. Right? We can do anything to make money, but what is it that you want from trading? You know what I mean? What is it that you want? And that's the true question. What is it that you want? Right? Because if the why ain't strong enough, trust me, like you'll give up. Like even in the face of adversity, bro. Literally in the face of adversity, you will give up. So am I willing to give up or am I willing to push through? You know what I mean? All these great people that we look up to, fam, they never had it easy. Even as simple as 50 Cent, Snoop Dogg, Les Brown, anyone that we think of, anyone who's in some level of success, they never had it easy. You get me? But for me, it's the failures that has taught me so much more. Like even me sitting down, like I've discovered what my strategy is. I've discovered XYZ. Kamali, this is how you trade. This style of trading suit you. But guess what? It didn't take me over a period right now to figure it out. I've had to go and learn that way, and kind of put them together to make my style. And now it makes sense to me. Now I can, even for me, just looking at trades and seeing what I want, I can now be like, yo, I want that trade. Like even for me, I was talking to Mike even earlier and I was like, yo, GJ, that was a beautiful trade. Euro AUD, that was a beautiful trade. Euro GBP, that was a beautiful trade. But what did it require? It required tons of failures. It required tons of blown account. It required tons of stress for you to stop, sit down, and look, am I willing to put in the sacrifice? At the end of the day, fam, like, as you said, bro, I don't know anything else that's going to pay me like this, that I can be anywhere in the world. Because for me, that's what I see in it. I see freedom. You get me? I see freedom. I see being able to look after my family. I see being able to look after generations, blood.
That's it.
And this is a skill set that can pivot a whole entire generation from you. You get me? They may not necessarily have to be doing trading, but it's about switching that mindset to say, yo, not to say, yo, don't be a worker, but know that, yo, it's about being an investor as well. You get me? That's what it boils down to, fam. Like, how much people can you help? And this is even for me as well. Like, even while I'm learning the skill, it's not even about me, blood. It's like, who am I going to help? Like, in my head, I've already made my mind up that even my primary school in Jamaica, I want to donate $1 million Jamaican dollars to them. You get me?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's not even about you no more, bro. You get me? So you just gotta get your mind right, fam. Unlock your mind, fam. Like, fam, we've been in bondage for years, bro. Especially if you're black. You get me?
Yeah, they don't teach this in school, bruv, at the end of the day. You know what I mean? So we got to take this on and we got to teach this ourselves. Like them rich people there, they either got a business or they trade oil. Like growing up, so many people I know that were successful. They're like, oh yeah, I trade oil. Yeah, my dad trades oil, whatever. And
Funny enough,
huh?
I said, funny enough, you said that about oil. I remember when I was in primary school, this white guy, like, I had a rich friend in it, like proper rich. Like, I think that was even a journalist as well for Channel 4. And obviously, he linked with one next guy. This was a house in Blackheath. It was the first time I went to a mad house. Like, the house was mad. When I said the house was mad, like, obviously, me being like 11, 12, I'm seeing like a trampoline, I'm seeing a swimming pool, I'm seeing about 7 bedrooms in the house, ensuite, mad drive, a little roundabout in the driveway. And I'm like, yo, what job does this guy do? And just as you like, oil,
he came back to you.
There's a move in oil. That's what the girl that does. Yo, he traded or he works with oil. Something to do with oil, innit?
Yeah. Yeah. This is what I mean. And it's just a market, innit? It's just a market. And this is what these people have done that have got them 7-bedroom flats and in their age now. Start somewhere. It starts somewhere, man. Like me, I fucking mix records. I can mix vinyl. That wasn't easy. Like, do you get what I mean? Like, I had to fucking work at that.
Yeah.
It's the same with anything. I was shit to begin with.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, that's why they say anything that's worth having, it's not gonna be easy, and it's worth waiting for.
Have I got a quote? I think I sent my virgin one of these quotes the other day. Let me see if I'll put it.
Trust me, anything worth having.
I need to come off these charts before I throw some more money at it. Because I'm looking at EU like I want to get back in, but I just don't.
Let the trade come to you, man. Trust me. I now let them come to me. Listen to this quote, yeah, I sent to my boy, right? Strangely, life gets harder when you try to make it easy. Exercising might be hard, but never moving makes life harder. Uncomfortable conversations are hard, but avoiding every conflict is harder. Mastering your craft is hard, but having no skill is harder. Easy has a cost.
100%.
I like that. It's true though. It's true. Like me, like if I'm doing a project for someone, like making a song or producing or doing whatever I do music wise, it might take 30 minutes to do it, but I can only do it in 30 minutes because I spent 150, 250 hours practicing. You get what I'm saying? Same thing. Like you get good and then it becomes your craft and it becomes easy. But them hours to make it easy, it come at a cost, boy.
Well, yes, you say something like doing what's easy makes your life hard. But doing what's hard makes your life easy.
Sometimes it's how you look at the coin, isn't it?
That's it. Like doing what's easy, so you can be successful. You can say like, let me just go work in McDonald's. It's easy, but your life is gonna be hard. So how much they're gonna be paying you? But if you train yourself and let's say, let me go be a doctor. It's hard, is it? Training.
You don't even
to be a trader. It's hard learning to trade. But once you get it, that's it.
You're a trader.
Yeah.
One thing I know one thing I've learned in the market still, like there'll always be another move in it.
Always.
There'll always be another move. So even if you didn't catch this one, what did you learn from it and how can you prepare yourself?
Exactly. That's exactly what I do. I like, even if I missed it, I look at it. I'm like, how could I have got in if I was like paying attention?